Sizzla Kalonji. He don't sniff off his stop. Brother, you know, you say you're one of the most intelligent artists, them articulate, well-rounded, educated, mindset firm. But you actually dunce, you know. You see your behavior, the way you act, you're dunce. No matter how much things you did read already, no matter how much things you say you have attained, education-wise, you're a fucking dunce. Yes, Sizzla. You're one of the duncest artists me know. Just your mindset alone you have and the way you talk and the way you act, you're dunce, you fuck. Me not care what nobody want to say. I want to see dog. The bright artist now. That man is illiterate as fuck. You understand what I say? You see your aura, how you carry yourself, you can carry yourself dunce, you know. And Sizzla is a done. You see the other day one time, him never have no US visa and them little thing there. Only thing he did a mash up was plaque and them little thing there. Since this man get this visa, you know, first of all, a torch in our party is a fire hazard, you fucking idiot. A whole heap of Jamaicans never did realize and know that. That is actually dangerous to have in a party. Torches, you understand what I say? With live people, with live here. You understand what I say? It's a torch. It's fire. It's all of that. It's very, very dangerous. You can catch somebody head of fire. You can catch something of fire. But it was always anything but blaze fire. It was dumb. From the very fucking beginning, it was stupid. It was a fire hazard from the very start. You understand? So you know, corrupted and vexed because you're there for your Batman rant and your Batman cussing and your Batman sang them and you want touch and you want you're an illiterate man. You need to sit down and look in at your blood clot self, dada. Nobody not tell you and Foot and the rest of people them not to eat Batman and Sodomite dead if it do. You understand what I deal with? Nobody not telling us if to do that. Someone who want to implement on a way of life on people too much. Sizzla ain't nobody fucking you, nigga. Bitch, you yourself, nigga. Stop push what you want from other people. That go suck your mother and sit down in one corner with that, brother. You see, this is ground here when me sit down on it name America, freedom of speech, bro. Me can tell if you go suck your mother and go away. Pussy, you know nobody, you know God, you know no Dan to me, you know nothing. You just want idiot rasta will beat girl and promote violence. Me don't know how people have you as a man who preach peace. Sir, you're the epiphany of hate. The only thing you have in you are hate. You are the worst individual me here opening blood clot mouth. You make the world look fucked up more than what it's supposed to be. You for the shut your blood clot pie hole. You need for just lock your bumbo clot tile it. Whatever teachings you have, you need to keep that to your dunce blood clot self. Cause you as a fucking dunce can't tell me bumbo clot nothing, Sizzla. He's a dunce. He's a fucking dunce. A big blood clot careless dunce. You know no done for me. You know no God for me. Nigga, I don't IT as nothing. Nigga, you don't pay none of my bills. You can kiss my ass, bro. Whatever the fuck you think, bro, you can kiss my ass with it, nigga. Whatever the fuck teachings you got, bro, you can hold it, bro. Eat that shit. You can eat, bro, eat it. Oh, I don't give a fuck. None of what, bro. Nobody give a fuck, bro. For real. You feel me? Every day you get up, nobody not give a fuck, bro. Right now, the other day, man come at Jamaica. Them say they never see so much Batman a walk around in a Jamaica too much. Like your frothy bumbo clot mouth, Sizzla. You too dunce. They have to take for your bumbo clot visa for real, man. Pussy, as you get back your visa, you start run up your bumbo clot faggot ranting. You want a man fuck you, Sizzla. Every day you get up, you can't beat girl yet. In pussy hole, every day you get up and push out too much violence and send your Rasta them go beat people. Why you not stop the violence in a Jamaica thinking, Rasta boy? Why you not go pray some pyro in a your thinking locks them? Why you not go put some blood clot beer gun in a your bumbo clot head? Pussy hole, since you want to touch so much, why you not make the light a fire and put in your blood clot head? Why you not killing lice them out of your blood clot head? Lice are killing thinking dread. Every bumbo clot minute. Bro, you have to blood clot me. This is America, the home of the free. You bumbo clot, your pussy hole. You did hungry at Jamaica thinking Rasta. When you did a bun up your blood clot plaque, in the blood clot judgment yard look like a bun dung yard. In your yard now no food. You no hungry like dog up there. Without the American currency going in your pocket, you don't have nothing. Remember say Jamaica artists, them are brokest. Even you not sing one song, you no make a pussy clot dollar. Shut up your broke blood clot and go suck out your mama. Not sure you never did a get pocket them water down so till you have your broke up plaque and a come go on. Every day you have Batman tendency and Batman eat. Brother, go eat a career now. Go eat the money where you not blood clot get now. Go and go eat. Careful your bumbo clot. How now alone make dada feel like saying my blood clot God. Pussy go suck your mama. How now alone make them your blood clot thinking waist rasta you walk and beat girl. Beat all him baby mother so till him broke all her hand. One man will facially destroy him blood clot baby mother. Rearrange him baby mother face. Broke up him baby mother. Who no make them your body man you feel like them a God. Man were beat and broke up woman. Who the fuck is Sizzla? Sizzla bumbo clot God. How now blood clot load make them pussy hole you feel like God. How now load make them feel like say what them a do right. Sizzla can't sing no righteousness to people. Him do the worst blood clot things them boy. Him do the worst blood clot things them. Him are the worst blood clot human that Jamaica. All him walk and do is preach it. Me can't cuss him. You know why? Me now blood clot walk and blood clot beat no bumbo clot body like Sizzla. Sizzla broke up him baby mother hand, rearrange her face. Every woman went ever there with him beat them. He'll treat them, kick them in a blood clot wall. I want to come blood clot at about do this dada. Dada hate woman. Oh, now protect one thinking Rasta boy. Where he hate blood clot girl pitney. You say girl pitney enough if fuck girl. But yet you beat them and he'll treat them and kick them in a wall. Might as well you make a girl go suck out them pussy. Because the girl they now go broke up their hand and beat out them blood clot like you. Move on a pussy hole. On a alone wall up them waist man here Jamaica as blood clot God. They see a man them we beat and he'll treat girl. When they listen to look a mama song and to look a dry cry and a member say them they are woman abuser. Them they are blood clot wicked and idiot ruler. No for you don't know that. You come in like so now idiot. You come hold the waste people them high. Man like Sizzla not supposed to get no ratings. Man like Sizzla if you go suck him mama and go. One time I beat girl and I ill treat woman and I push out how much in violence, how much gun in a Jamaica. You not can talk about dada. This man is one of the reason why Jamaica is the way how it is. Him produce violence and beat girl. Oh no want me for respect Sizzla. No man will beat girl and I push out gun in a Jamaica can get no respect from me. Sizzla no blood clot peacemaker. Him a warmonger. Him a war blood clot monger. Be a girl him beat and push out blood clot violence in a Jamaica. Him as an artist, the most gonna him then take it from. So one time the whole of now come talk about careful. The whole of now come talk about careful. Because uno afraid of them people here. And uno make them people go like them a blood clot God. And uno make them people feel like so them can go shoot uno and beat uno. Uno think say them people are uno father them. Uno think say them a people are uno mama them. Uno think say them a people are do nothing for blood clot uno. And uno give them blood clot power. Who the fuck is him? You think say people can feel just walk in your yard, take you up out a chair and beat you. And uno alone give people them blood clot power there. Who is Sizzla fi do that to nobody? Sizzla will beat and ill treat woman and push out too much gun and violence in a Jamaica. Remember, I grew on blood clot, see that. Me grew up on simp on TV, 17 much in gun. Him have up a blood clot judgment yard. Them the boy that violence producer. I wanna come talk about peacemaker. Careful. Remember them man they are oh. Them the same man they wanna say preach blood clot peace. Me if you careful can we kill me. Ya joker. Wanna not see sound dunce. Wanna say wanna be careful over a man will preach peace. However careful because he will kill your dad. Remember you know he will send it not to them come murder you. And at them the man there. Wanna put a forefront and say a peacemaker and the best thing for Jamaica. Uno bumbo clot delusional dog. Uno delusional youth. Them the man there. We believe in a killing people and beating women. And them who no put in front and I can talk about dada. Them man if you do prison. Let me tell you since you see you do blood clot murder, you do prison long time. For every assault you assault them woman there. For every one of them gun the way you did have you done the prisoner rotten down. You done the prisoner rotten down at you Jamaica and no law. At you Jamaica world uno has blood clot God. The amount of sin where you have to do a rat in a prison already. You no peacemaker, my boy. None of your music then can make for me feel like you're a hypocrite. You Sizzla the biggest hypocrite of the music. You say dry cry for woman, but you beat them. You beat every woman where your blood clot ever there with. None of your music not transpire with me. None of it no reciprocate with me. Cause he's a fucking liar. You sing about this, but in a real life, you is a bitch. You're a pussy nigga in a real life. In a real life, the same man will sing about loving girl, beat them. So, oh, you're blood clot. You're not a bomb clot body, me G. You're idiot. You're idiot, me G. Me I tell you that. All of the people who tell me to fear you, I don't fear you, Sizzla. You is nobody from fear. The only man me fear him fall rain. Pussy and something me see you fall rain. Me can't afraid of you. You can't beat me like none of your baby mother them. I don't know you. I know of you. Me know about you. It can it up on Google. How much of your baby mother them you beat. How much gun we did have in the street. How much violence you produce. I know this. Everything what me say about you is the truth. You see, pray. Right now is the truth. So you are not a peacemaker, you are not a blood clot reggae artist, you are a violence producer. All you do, all you work and do is doctrinate people. Want people to believe in it. You see them fuckery teachings them when you have beat woman, have gun, kill sodomite and Batman. That's all you preach. Go suck your mama and go. Go and go brush your brown teeth, them Sizzla. That me I try to tell you. You locks them brown in your blood clot head like you teeth them in your mouth. Go and go spray some beer gun or pyro in your thinking locks them. The lice and the ticks them when your blood clot head a kill you. You know see that? Go and go get a reed twist pussy hole. You head have a bumbo clot picky. Go and go tap beat your baby mother them. Go repent to Selassie Batty boy. And go from here so. But you want to be careful. I will not alone make Sizzla that Jamaica beat people. Then I walk around the world and tell people about how Sizzla is like Bob Marley. You see Bob Marley beat nobody? You never see Bob Marley with gun yet? Bob Marley did bad. Then when time Bob Marley start sing, you know we go already in the have to protect himself and just so you go. Them the boy they are violence man. A be a gun Sizzla by it I have a Jamaica and a beat be a girl and I call him dada. I want pop you know see a mama that a girl. That a girl man. You know see a be a woman you beat. Go ahead and move your pussy hole. No fire no burn for people like you, my general. All you do is beat girl and buy gun. Man we beat girl and buy gun. Them no fear do nothing like that, no boy. Rascal Sizzla. You lost my pen, me G. Oh. Because I know when Rasta love walk you up here too, you know. So no stay. You get back your US visa, but you're careful. Because remember you're hungry. Remember say without the US dollar in your pocket, your blood clot hungry. Careful. Because you might come a foreign and end up like blood clot Jack Ure and that prison. You hear that? Learn to shut your mouth. You hear that, boy? Learn to lock your blood clot mouth because you chat too much. For years you do this. And I'll know you're not tap beat girl. I'll know you're not tap buy gun for kill off youths them at Jamaica. Go and move your pussy hole. The time when you have problem with Batman and Sodomite, you stop buy gun and kill youths them at yard. The whole of the gun them where you buy and sending natty them go kill blood clot people. The time when you send people from up a Bobo Hill go kill other people because then this you need to stop beat girl. That you fi stop do. Stop beat girl. Stop have problem with Batman and go have a problem with yourself. Go clean up your own a dirty life, Sizzla. Sizzla you beat girl and a buy gun. Dirty life that. Clean up your circle before you talk to anybody. And wash your head and spray it out with some pyro. Bumbo.
You hear me say that man if you don't say a real bang, you know. Represent for words entertainment. Right?
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.